Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data visualization basics in our tutorial series. So today we'll be looking at how to display labels or text while plotting. So for that, let's first install the ggplot2 package, and we'll be using the inbuilt dataset iris. So it has 5 columns, and like always, let's create a sample plot just using the ggplot function. Here we are telling what's the dataset and the aesthetic. So we are mentioning what is X and Y here, and we want to label the species associated with it. So let's run this code. Now for displaying the text, we use the geom_text function. So here the check_overlap helps us to avoid overlaps. So if we remove this, you can see that it's way more cluttered. And instead of this text, you can also use a label function and make it a label. And also you can change the colors using the color function. So here I'm telling that we want to have the colors based on the species. You can also change the size accordingly. So let's run this code. So yeah, this is our final results. Yeah, the colors are not that great, but you can change the palette if you like. But let's remove this for now and let's run this code again. Yeah, so we have the label instead of the text here. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Ciao!